Hello and welcome to PowerShell quiz. This is meant to be a fun video. Let's start! Question 1. What is the full name of PowerShell? The correct answer is Windows PowerShell. Finish the sentence. Sam teach yourself Windows PowerShell in blank hours. The correct answer is 24. Question 3. Why should one learn PowerShell? The two correct answers are blue and green. Question 4. What does CLI stand for in regards to PowerShell? The correct answer is Command Line Interface. Question 5. What year was PowerShell version 1.0 released? The correct answer is in 2006. Question 6. What does ICE stand for in regards to PowerShell? The correct answer is Integrated Scripting Environment. Question 7. Which of the following operating systems does PowerShell support? There are 3 correct answers: red, yellow, and green. Question 8. How many characters does readhost accept as input from a user? The correct answer is 1022. Question 9. What is the key to press for executing the code in your script pane when using PowerShell ICE? The correct answer is F5. Question 10. Which of the following words are not one of the 5 most used verbs in Windows PowerShell version 5? The correct answer is old. Thanks for watching.